What if I told you that Claude Code, Anthropic's most powerful AI coding agent, is sitting right there completely free and most developers have no idea? I found 3 legitimate ways to get full access without paying a single rupee to Anthropic. We're talking the same Claude Sonnet and the same Claude Opus experience that people are paying $20 a month for, and one of these methods takes literally 5 minutes to set up. Stick around because by the end of this video, you're going to have Claude Code running on your machine for free. Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on PromptIT. My name is Mickey and I'm running this channel as a student who's obsessed with AI, building projects and finding smarter ways to code. I'll be sharing everything I discover so you don't have to figure it out all the hard way. Alright. Enough about me, let's get into today's video. So recently I went down a rabbit hole trying to figure out whether I actually needed to pay for Claude Code or if there was actually a smarter way to get the same power for free. Turns out there is not one, but 3 completely free and legitimate ways. Here's a quick roadmap of what we are covering today. Method 1. GitHub Student Developer Pack. Method 2. AWS Bedrock Credits. And Method 3. Kiro Code, the easiest one. I'll break down each one, tell you what you actually get, and at the end, I'll tell you which one I personally recommend. So method 1. GitHub Student Developer Pack. Alright, method 1. If you are a student and I'm literally enrolled in any college or university, this one is a no-brainer. GitHub has something called the Student Developer Pack and it is genuinely one of the best freebies in tech. You get access to dozens of tools for free, and one of those tools is GitHub Copilot with Claude models. Here's how to set it up. Go to education.github.com/pack. Apply using your university email, and if your college email isn't recognized, just upload a photo of your student ID. The approval is usually instant and takes a few days. Once approved, install GitHub Copilot in VS Code. Go into your Copilot setting and under the model selector, you'll see the option to switch to Claude as your preferred provider. This gives you Claude through GitHub Copilot for day-to-day coding, debugging and repo analysis. The experience is nearly identical. Method 2. AWS Bedrock Credits. Okay, method 2 is for the builders if you are doing heavier projects, running agents, working with APIs, doing actual research. This one gives you the most raw power. This is called AWS Bedrock, and the simple idea is instead of paying Anthropic directly, you route Claude through Amazon's infrastructure using AWS credits. Here's how to get those credits. Go to the aws.amazon.com/activate, sign up for AWS Activate for students. You can get up to $100 in free AWS credits, no credit card, no catch. These credits automatically apply to Bedrock API calls. So every time you use Claude through Bedrock, it comes out of your credit balance, not your pocket. One thing to watch out for, some of the newer Claude models can hit rate limits on Bedrock, so always keep an eye on your AWS billing console to make sure you're not burning through credits faster than you expect. But with $100 in free credits, most student projects, that's months of usage. Method 3. Kiro IDE, the easiest one. Okay, method 3, this one is my personal favorite right now and I think it's going to blow your mind because of how easy it is. Amazon just released a new AI coding IDE called Kiro, and when you sign up, you get 500 free credits instantly, no credit card required. And here's the kicker. Those credits give you access to Claude Sonnet 4.5 right out of the box. Quick route, just use Kiro directly. Step 1. Go to kiro.dev and download the IDE. Step 2. Sign up, you'll get 500 credits the moment you create your account. Step 3. Start coding. Claude Sonnet is built right in. You can chat, generate code, debug, and even ask it to build skill features. Now, bonus hack. If you also install the Kiro CLI separately with the same account, you get another 500 credits on top. That's 1000 free credits total from a single account. And right now, Kiro Pro, which gives you Claude Opus access, is showing up at $0 at checkout. I don't know how long that lasts, so grab it while you can. This is generally the most powerful setup for vibe coding and quick full stack projects right now. You're getting full Claude access, locally routed, completely free. My honest recommendation, if you are a student doing VS Code work every day, start with GitHub Student Developer Pack. Low effort, infinite chats. If you're building agents and doing heavy API work, AWS Bedrock is your move. $100 in credit goes a long way. If you just want Claude Code running for 5 minutes in the next vibe coding session, Kiro, no questions. That's all the three methods, alright, all free, all legit, and all working right now. If this saved you money or time, do me a favor, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Drop a comment letting me know which method you're going to try first. I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.